Amplifier-UIY was established in Shenzhen, China. It is an integrated enterprise integrating development, design, and production of military and civilian-used microwave communication devices. Its products are sold all over the world. Founded in 2003, it has gained reputation and public praise in the microwave communication industry, relying on industrial advantages and excellent professional skills, as well as experienced domestic and international operation mode. It mainly engages in research and development of microwave communication products such as RF isolator, circulator, attenuator, load, filter, power divider, and other microwave communication products. RF isolator has one-way transmission characteristics. Is a device with two ports, also called as unidirectional transmitter. The isolator in the specified direction only has more transmission loss, while transmitted in the other direction there is a lot of loss. Isolation. RF isolator can be classified into coaxial isolator, drop-in isolator, broadband isolator, dual junction isolator, surface mount isolator, microstrip isolator, waveguide isolator, high power isolator. Isolators are commonly used for microwave signal transmission system, especially used in the output port, a power amplifier, to protect the device from impact caused by large reflected signal. To isolate the source from load can be used in power amplifier. To improve the isolation, a power combining system. The circulator is a three-port device with unidirectional transmission characteristic. In a clockwise circulator, the signal can be transmitted from port 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, and from 3 to 1. On the contrary, it will isolate signal from port 2 to 1, from 3 to 2, and from 1 to 3. RF circulator can be classified into coaxial circulated, drop-in circulated, broadband circulator, dual junction circulator, surface mount circulator, microstrip circulator, waveguide circulator, high power circulator. Circulator can be used for a radar communication system to isolate the signal between sending and receiving. The sending signal and the receiving signal can share the same antenna. UIY has always been adhering to the inherited first, customer-oriented, technology-leading bold innovation management philosophies, and believe in the technical advantage is the foundation. Market demand is the guidance. During the constant developing and expanding period, UIY kept pursuing for more excellent enterprise quality, steadily changing from a professional company to a diversified enterprise. Welcome partners from all over the world to cooperate with UIY to feel the entrepreneurship strength in UIY. Wish to create a beautiful tomorrow with you together.